Hi, my name is Val. Today I don't teach you how to make strawberry soup, but then wash your hands. It's important to wash your hands. If we don't need some fresh strawberries, it's a lot of strawberry too. We need 2 lemons, plain yogurt, honey, and nice basil, nice to smell. And then we need a blender to mix all those up. So we need something in a blender. So we need strawberries. So it's about 4 cups of strawberries, washed and trimmed. Like that. And then the next thing is 2 cups of plain yogurt. Down ahead, put 1 tablespoon of honey and 3 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1/4 cup chopped basil. That's good. And now we put this in the fridge at least 2 hours. Hi, we are back. I just poured the strawberry soup in the bowl and that made it really pretty. I put the basil just like that. And that's my bowl of soup. I don't taste it. Good. I hope you made it. Enjoy.